Welcome to Denny.
Welcome to day 3 of Vancouver.
Welcome to Denny's.
Welcome to Denny's. Very good to see you.
It is again.
Here we are again with Lorenzo and Michael.
And what's your name?
Dimitri Voskafoshi.
Is this a D&D character that you've somehow incorporated into the world as well? Because I feel like you should.
No, it is.
I am confused.
Sorry. What are we doing today?
Going to Grouse Mountain
We are.
after I ate food because I'm very hungry.
Yes, we are at Denny's and we just ordered some breakfast. Denny's Diner.
Dineys.
I hope you like it.
What did you order? What did you order? Seriously.
Oh, I'm too close. The Grand Sandwich.
What does that have in it?
Bacon.
Food.
And egg and sausage and more bacon.
In a sandwich.
And a bun. No.
A
yes.
bun?
No, it's not a bun. It's a sandwich. Because it's a sandwich.
Or is it like an English muffin?
No, it's like a...
Oh, a burger.
Like a bread?
No, like a...
Me like
Just
suggesting
bread.
things that
Like
are
a bread.
Like a bread.
Like a sandwich.
Awesome. What did you order?
I ordered bacon, eggs, sausage,
Just a whole bunch of sides.
and hash brown.
smushed together.
Yeah.
I ordered
What did you order?
2 times bacon,
2 times bacon.
hash browns, and the plant-based pancakes.
Plant cakes.
Yes.
So we'll see how we
The
go.
9 grain.
They're actually called plant cakes.
Plant cakes.
Plant cakes.
You know what? You should coin
9
that.
grains. 9 grains. Not 10, 9. Not 8.
9 grain. It has 9 grain.
8.5 grams.
No, it only has 9 singular grains dropped into it.
Of
Is
plant.
that what makes it really healthy?
Grains of plant.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's just 9 sunflower seeds in a circle.
No.
So
There's
it's
a
still-
multi-grain. There's a
it's-
sunflower seed. There's a sesame seed.
Oh, so it's 9 assorted seeds.
Yes.
So it's
Well, that's-
still made with egg then? It's
Yeah.
just-
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder why there was so much confusion.
I don't understand what you mean. How could it possibly be made of egg when it is 9 singular individual seeds arranged in a circle on a plate? There's no,
yeah, no,
there's no
there's
actual.
pancake.
No,
there's
it's
no
just
cake.
9.
In the shape of
It's
a
just
pancake.
9
Yes.
seeds around a plate.
In a circle.
Yes, to mimic a pancake.
But that's like $14 for that.
Do you know where they get those seeds from?
Do you know where we are?
St. Google.
Video radiation laws. He's wearing all silver.
I reckon he's oh yeah, look at his shirt.
We're
Put
going,
everything away.
Yeah.
we're going up grouse. Oh yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How amazing was that view from the
Incredible.
top of the gondola?
Incredible.
Oh my goodness.
I'm so glad I looked at it and went, what the hell is this?
Oh, I know we sorted it out too, but
Yeah.
yeah. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Oh, the chairlift goes all the way up there.
That's cool.
Wow. I'm sad the coaster's not ready yet though.
Yeah.
Because I would have loved to have done
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Oh,
They said
we'll just have
summer
to-
and I was like,
We'll
oh.
just have to come back.
Yeah, literally.
The music.
Amazing! Lots of neighbors! Florida! Cool, where are you from? Let me fill you in on a little bit of history. So, during the early 1900s, cities and towns were growing rapidly in the West due to the gold rush. Building materials were needed to keep up with these construction demands, and these materials were found here right in the beautiful forests of British Columbia. Now, this created great opportunity for those who were willing to work hard. And these men were called lumberjacks. West Coast top log rollers, let's hit for Wild Willie McGee. Yeah! All right, we're moving on to the first event, which is the springboard chop. Years ago, when the lumberjacks would go into the forest, they'd bring 3 things with them: an axe, a saw, and a board with a metal end on it called a springboard. Now, they'd put a notch in the bottom of the tree, put their board into that notch, hop up on that board, and then put another notch in the tree. Those bases could get up to 15 feet wide. So our lumberjacks, they're going to be doing something like that here for you today. They're going to be going 3 boards high and then cutting that block you see off at the top. They'll cut halfway through from one side, then turn around and finish that block off from the other side. And the first lumberjack to do so will be the winner.
Yeah, and that's gonna be us, right, Green? Yeah! Oh, wait, that's gonna be us, right, Blue?
All right, lumberjacks, ready? 1, 2, go! Lumberjacks, ready? 1, 2.
Wait!
What? What's the matter?
Oh, I hurt my back.
Oh, okay, well, is there anything I can do for you?
You know what? I just need a second to straighten it out.
Okay, sure, then we'll get started. Yeah.
What is that?
Johnny? Yeah, what was that?
That's much better.
I bet it is. Come on, put it back.
Yep.
No, Johnny, not like that. That's not what I meant. Willie, what are you doing?
Idling.
Idling, really?
Yeah, you saw what he did.
Yeah, I saw what you both did. You're both cheaters. 1, 2, go! Alright, here we go, everybody with the CrossFits. They're making their way through these blocks like a hot knife through butter, so cheer on your lumberjacks! Looks like Willie's gonna end up taking the win for the CrossFit with Johnny right behind.
I just let him win that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's because I felt bad for you after crushing you in the chop and just humiliating you in the axe throw. It's almost too easy, pal. 5.1 seconds.
25.1 seconds? That's pretty quick.
I get that a lot.
Okay, Johnny, what are you gonna carve for us?
Well, did you show those carvings on the pathway down here? Oh, I can fix it! I can fix it!
Okay, how are you gonna fix it? What are you doing? Oh no!
Ta-da!
Ooh, a little bit of a slip there from Johnny as he makes his way up. Looking like Willie's about to ring that bell on the top. There it is, and now he's making his way down. Johnny's about to ring the bell. He's ringing. He's making his way down, and oh my goodness, he's taking some. Oh, it's a close one, but Willie's gonna end up taking the win for the tree climb.
Hold on! Stop clapping!
What are you doing?
I'm gonna blow that log right out of the water!
Where'd you get the dynamite?
Walmart, hold back. Give me
Johnny,
that! Hey, stop it! Give me the. Give it back! Give me it
don't
back!
want to do.
Oh.
It's okay, folks. I've got the dynamite. I don't want it. You take
No,
it.
I don't want it either. Throw it away.
All right, I'll give it to them.
What? No, not that way. Step on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Okay, well, throw it in the water.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes?
Okay.
Wait. No, Johnny. Not that water. This one.
Hey, it was your idea.
No, yeah, but this
You
is the
told me
water
to
I meant.
do
Oh,
it.
my goodness.
Look out! Help, help! There's been a terrible accident.
Oh, Willie was in there.
Yeah, and now he's everywhere.
Willie was a great lumberjack.
Yeah, he was a real dynamite guy.
Yeah.
Always a blast.
Yeah.
I'm sure gonna miss his explosive personality.
Oh, that's it. What was that gonna do? Go get Mountain Security.
Just go on with the rest of your little show down there. I've got the best seat in the house.
Okay. Yeah, another little problem. We're done with our show, and our next one's not till 1 o'clock.
One?
Yep, might as well. I was gonna have to get the fire department up here now, and I don't even know what they're gonna do. Excuse me, you dropped your spur.
It's okay. They're not mine. I'm gonna go over to that
Yeah,
side.
no, you can't go to that side. It's not supported through there.
I can make it.
No, you cannot make it.
I can make it.
No, you can't.
Oh,
I bet you I can see it like really good if I stood up.
oh yeah, that'd be a dumb idea.
Okay. I'm gonna try standing up.
No. You shouldn't be. Oh my goodness, I can't look.
Yeah, I also can't.
Whoa, no, you have to look.
Don't do it, man.
Don't do it, man.
I did it!
Okay, great. You did it. Now please sit back down.
Goodness.
I gotta get rid of these before I fall.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay. I think I got something in my backpack. Gonna help me take my mind off them. Maybe then they'll like just go away.
Okay. Don't. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he's actually juggling. Oh, well, he was for a second. Hey, buddy, you dropped your round things. What? Wait, oh my goodness, he's again with those poetry. Give him a round of applause, everybody, because that is really stupid. That is really stupid, buddy. What are you thinking up there? Yeah.
Yeah, if I were you, I'd take a few steps back.
What? Why?
I don't feel so good.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Hey,
Let's give a big round of applause for our wacky tacky tours, everybody, as he flies across the sky.
this is amazing.
Wild in North America. That is certainly possible. They are a North American species of bird, but goldens tend to like areas away from people, up in the mountains. I saw one a few weeks ago in Garibaldi, out in the backcountry while I was hiking. That's more their jam. Where we don't really see your average wild golden eagle are places like Pike Place Market in Seattle, Dallas Road in Victoria, or Stanley Park here in Vancouver. And in the wild, they are family birds. They do live together as a family group, comprised of a dominant female up at the top of the hierarchy, and everybody else sort of in a pecking order down below her. These guys, he's not very big. He can maybe take down a ground squirrel or a quail by himself, something really small. Working together as a group, though, they can take down something as large as a jackrabbit or a pheasant. So these guys, they're very good pack hunters outside. He can even catch something like a little bird. Right up out of the sky. There we go with the victory lap. And you standing on the perch there, you might just want to step down there. Yeah, you might want to step off of there away from the perch. There you go, just so that slightly doesn't tell you in uncertain terms that he doesn't like that. Maybe we'll see if he wants to go 2 for 2 here back to Will. There we go.
That's so fun.
I almost think it's cooler when these guys do this because you guys are nature's cleanup crew. They fly around working for us 7 days a week, no overtime pay, no stat pay on holiday weekends, making sure that you and I have a nice clean world to live in.
That's so sweet.
And not only do they take away those carcasses, but also all of the germs that come along with them. In dead rotting meat, there's a lot of stuff that can really hurt or even kill you or I. Germs such as anthrax, botulism, salmonella, E. coli, West Nile virus, rabies, a lot of really nasty stuff.
Oh, she didn't like that one.
Those germs, they can digest them in their stomach. They have stomach acid with a pH of around 1, which is on par with carboxylic acid. And when they poop, it doesn't get passed on in their poop. It's permanently removed from our environment, making the world a safer place for you and I. She's a very powerful bird for her size.
Yeah,
Squeeze almost as hard as he can. And they're hunting with the element of night on their side. So even though she's not very big, she could take down something as large as a Canada goose, a great blue heron, a wild turkey, a newborn deer. They'll even take down skunks. You might wonder how she exudes a skunk, because when they get really scared, they do exude a smelly odor. But owls and most birds don't have much of a sense of smell at all. So at the end of the day, she just doesn't give a hoot. Fur, feathers, teeth, claws, things like that, all the indigestible matter. That needs to get out of their body some way, obviously. They don't poop it out the other end, but rather it gets cast into a little ball that they cough up about 12 to 24 hours later. It's really good for their digestive system, much like you or I eating fiber or roughage. Exact same concept. Theirs just comes up a different way. Falcons, though, are very fast-moving, very agile, catching other birds right out of the air. So we tend to fly them more to a padded leather lure on a line. And what I'm going to be doing is swinging the lure, bringing it right up in front of the bird's feet, and then pulling it at the last second in a little game of cat and mouse. Not doing that to try to tease the falcon, but rather to teach him persistence, to build fitness, and again to emulate how he would hunt another bird out in the wild. So we are going to meet a falcon out here today. His name is Solo. Solo is not a pure peregrine falcon, but rather a hybrid of 2 species. He is part peregrine falcon, and then also part gyrfalcon, which is the largest falcon species in the world. Let me sit up on the post there to begin with, have a little bit of a lazy start. Falcon is
It's so much smaller than I thought.
Doesn't hurt the bird at all. Just makes it kind of a funny looking falcon, but a large falcon nonetheless. And when he does come down here, you might notice right now he has his entourage of swallows. They all think he's here to eat them as their babies. I don't like to see him very much. They're trying to throw me off balance. Excuse me, to throw me off balance. He'll go behind the bleachers. He wants to do. He knows that if he so much as even pokes the lure during this game, that it's his in the next go around. It can be very discouraging when you're first learning how to fly a falcon, because it feels like you failed if they're touching you out all the time. That's a Now when we play this game, Solo is not going 300 plus kilometers per hour. When he really guns it towards me, he might go about 100.
Yeah.
So it's like a few sections.
To go down to North Vancouver, so I go all the way back to Vancouver.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys later. Yeah, boo.
This is insane.
If I'm good at anything, it's geography. Yeah.
City there.
Yeah.
I think that'll do.
Yeah.
That looks like a good spot.
We were also saying we won't do paragliding because it goes all the way down to the city. They don't go down to the car park. They go all the way back to North Vancouver.
I mean, we didn't even drive here.
Yeah.
We could
We
just
could
land in the
just
city.
land.
Uber, pick me up.
Oh, they're all wet.
They came right next to the net. Yeah. Only one of them. Look at them. I think that one's.
There's a grizzly thing. I'm watching the bear. I might go.
I wish we had a bear as a I wish we had that bear as a I saw one there finally. Let's go there. Look, there's a bunch of
Are you guys sure about this chairlift?
He's turning around.
Like foraging.
I wonder where he was hiding. The second one.
Somewhere cool.
It's afternoon, they took a dip. And then they're,
Yeah, wet.
Owls are birds of prey, which means they are predators. They are hunting smaller animals they find in their habitat. Barred owls here really like to eat small mammals, so things like mice and shrews and voles they find scurrying along the forest floor that they find in their habitats as well.
More reasonable.
And pretty much everything about their body is designed to help them be able to hunt
Look.
effectively. They can see quite far away. Barred owls are sit and wait predators, so usually sitting up, perching in trees, things like that on posts, looking around, waiting for signs of prey that they'll then swoop down and catch. So.
Yeah, no.
Speed racer Lozzie. I cannot remember where I left the last video, but we got back from Grouse Mountain and it was such a cool experience. There were so many different activities to do and 10 out of 10 experience for me. How about you, Lozzie?
I've been before and I loved it and then I loved it again.
And Nate?
12.
12 out of 10.
12.
12. Yeah, we spent the whole day there, came back, just demolished a pizza between us all. Well, I had my own, but... And now we're gonna go to bed. Tomorrow we've got a ride around Stanley Park and the aquarium, and hopefully try and find a laundromat.
Hell yeah,
See how we go. Alright. Bye! See you tomorrow!